everybody, it's Neil and I am on the floor, but I've been using my COMAN fancy tripod here for a while. This one here is like the greatest thing ever. It's got so many different adjustments and whatnot. I don't know, I'll move it back here so you can see it better. But I saw that they had this thing here and we're gonna check this out. I haven't even opened it yet. Hopefully that's what's in the box, but we're gonna see what it is. I think it should be wheels for it so it can move around easier. Right now I've got it set on low just so you guys can see it, but we'll see how this is here. So, let's see. Oh, so I opened up the box here, nothing here, and it says it's the COMAN Professional Tripoder Lighting Equipment, something new. Okay, so let's see what it is here. Let's open it up. Comes in a nice bag. All their stuff comes in such nice little bags. I love it. Makes it so easy to take around. And so, this is it. So this is it here. So we're gonna open it. Oh, this is exciting for me. I don't know, probably, hopefully for y'all it is too, because it's very cool. So what it does is it's gonna give me wheels. It gives me wheels so I can roll my tripod around. So let's check this thing out here. Does it have any instructions? Probably not, because it's just so basic here. There we go. I opened it up and now it's open and it's got these, you can see here, these little screw areas right there. So I can tighten up my little feet into there and then tighten it closed. And I've got 3 of them there. And it looks like this is adjustable too, so if I want the legs to go out further, I can, or tighter. We'll see how we fit with this particular tripod right now. So I'm gonna have to make these slightly bigger openings. Oh, you couldn't even see from there. Let me aim this down a little for y'all. There we go. I'm using another COMAN tripod up here too. I have everything upstairs because their stuff's the best. And their stuff just lasts. That's what's great about it. Everything's made so solid. Let's see, I wanna go open. Open goes this way. Okay, so here we go. So like you can see, the legs are kind of flexible as far as where we're at. And that one fit. That one fit. I guess maybe, I don't know if you put in one at a time, but there we go. There's 1, there's 2, and there is 3. So now let me tighten these up. And it's nice because I can take this all down and put it up. You see how long this is taking me, all of just a couple of minutes maybe, to put it together. So if I go on site somewhere to do some videoing, it'll be super easy and I can just set it up and then I'm good to go. So let's see, here we go, we got here. So we are fairly tight. I don't need to make it super tight, I don't think, for what I'm doing. And you can see, okay, so now I've got it on my leg. Oop, this one here's not tight at all. There, and so now I have it, and so see it's stuck on the bottom there, so I can pick it up and move it, and I can roll it. But right now, I can't roll it because you got the little stoppers on there, which is nice. So if I put it on a ramp somewhere or something like that, I can put the stoppers on it so it's not gonna roll away. So now, and oh man, that rolls so easy. Even I got it on carpet here, and we are rolling good. This is awesome. And then I'm guessing when I just take it down, I just push these buttons, pull them up a little bit here, and then you can rotate the legs back down and put them back in the little bag. So this is super cool. And right now I have it set up. Oh, you can't even see the top of it. But I do have it set up on top for my, I have an iPad mount, an iPad and a light, so it's kind of funny. But this is cool, you know, if you've used these things before, it's just so easy to take off and put on, and you can rotate it around so easy. It's just, this is like the best tripod I've ever used in my life. And now that I got wheels on it, it's gonna be even better. So I'm gonna be able to take this thing around, I can roll it around, can do some nice shots where I'm moving, and it's rolls nice and smooth. The wheels are fairly small, but they're nice and rubber, so it looks like it rolls smooth. And I usually use some stabilization stuff too, so I'm good. And it's got a nice handle on it and everything, so thumbs up for me. This is great. I'm putting the link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Definitely get one. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. But definitely pick up one of these things here. This would be nice, and it's nice and heavy duty too. I mean, it would probably take my weight on it even too. So you can have a nice heavy camera on there and still roll it around. Love it.